Hello everyone, welcome to this session on water hardness. I am Dr. Rupam Yadav, Assistant Professor of Chemistry at LNJP IT Chhapra. Today we will explore what water hardness is, its type, its effect and how it can be measured and removed. Before we begin, let me ask you, have you ever noticed white deposits inside your kettles or difficulty getting soap to lather properly? This is because of water hardness, and by the end of this lecture, you will fully understand why it happens. By the end of this session, you will be able to distinguish between temporary and permanent hardness, explain the effect of hot water on appliances, soap uses, and daily life. The hardness of water refers to the amount of dissolved calcium and magnesium ion present in it. Hard water has a high concentration of these minerals, while soft water has very low concentration. For example, rainwater is usually soft, while groundwater drawn through limestone or chalk is usually hard. Hardness is of two types, temporary and permanent. Temporary hardness is caused by bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. The good news is that it can be removed simply by boiling the water. Permanent hardness, on the other hand, is caused by sulfate and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. This type can not be removed by boiling. If you boil water and it happens soft or becomes soft, it has temporary hardness. If it remains hard even after boiling, then it has permanent hardness. The main cause of hardness is the natural dissolution of minerals from rocks such as limestone and chalk into water. Industrial activities and the pollutants can also increase water hardness. That is why groundwater in some areas is harder than in others. It depends on the type of rock present in that region. Hard water has several noticeable effects on household appliances. It called Scoville scale formation in kettles, boilers and pipes. This reduces their efficiency and lifespan. On soap, hard water forms scum and reduces lathering. This means you need more soap or detergent for washing. On health, hard water is generally safe to drink, although it may affect the taste slightly. In fact, some minerals in hard water are beneficial in small amount. Hard water can be measured in different units such as parts per million, German degree of hardness or French degree of hardness. The common method of measurement are the Edited titration method, which is a complexometric method and gives accurate result. The soap test, which is qualitative and shows whether the water is soft or hard, but is less accurate. Removal of hardness. Now let us see how hardness can be removed. For temporary hardness,